Hello guys and welcome back to DCS World. Today we're in the Caucasus and we're doing a kind of Cold War showdown with the F14. So let's take off. And we got a lot of bandits somewhere on the mainland. I don't know exactly where. We got my wingman and we're armed with 4 sparrows and 4 winders. And from what I know, they have got around the airport some SA-15 SAM sites and stuff like that. So yeah, let's turn the ECM on, electronic countermeasures or jammer. That basically can electronically get the missile to not track us. Just gonna flap my wings out a little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna stay kind of low and not climb for this mission because of the SAMs.
11 o'clock.
And I see something on my RWR. MiG-28. Okay.
Heads up, nails, 6 o'clock.
Okay, MiG-28. Anything else? Nope, nothing showing on RWR.
There's a friendly, 6 o'clock, 2 miles.
Yeah. Let's set eject both, just so nobody's stuck in the cockpit alone, and then in case I black out, he can eject and I'll be ejected too. Hangman's back there. Okay. Yeah, we're only a 2-ship. Okay, still 2 28s. The MiG-28 actually isn't an actual airplane. It is... In Top Gun, it was basically a modified F5 Tiger that they painted black. And it shouldn't be an enemy for the F-14 at all. Because the F-14 is a lot bigger, we've got a lot more missiles. They haven't got any radar-guided missiles. Okay. Yeah, they haven't got any radar-guided missiles, any long-range missiles. They've got nothing to counter us. A problem would be in dogfights, maybe 1 circle, 2 circle. 2 circle, not, because that's where the F-14 is good, but 1 circle. He's kind of small and fast, but that's what I have my wingman for. They're now to our left. I think we should probably just engage.
Nails, 11 o'clock.
Okay. I don't have him on radar yet, but he is about in that direction. Anything yet? Nope. Do we have data link? Sent host?
You got it.
Carrier? We don't have an AWACS. Yeah, we got
Nails on our nose. 12 o'clock.
2 bandits.
Okay, let's do this. We've got a bandit. MiG-28. 5 o'clock high. 1 mile. Speed is 500.
Okay,
6
so
o'clock
they're
high.
behind us.
460 knots. 12 o'clock. 370.
Okay, merged. Into the merge.
7 o'clock. And that's 310.
On my notes.
12 o'clock high. 260 knots.
Couldn't get nodes on there.
230 knots. 1 o'clock. Showing 170. 190. We're passing below 200.
I'm really slow.
Yep, 220 now. 12 o'clock high. Speed 250.
I don't know why this is
280
working
knots.
for him.
One
He's
o'clock
for some
high.
reason just turning harder than I am. Okay,
12
Fox
o'clock
2
high.
shot here.
190, man.
That doesn't look like it's gonna, no.
1 o'clock high.
Just fell short.
Passing 220 now.
But he is coming down a
11
bit.
o'clock. 240.
Just wondering where his wingman is.
Okay, that's 190. The missile was shit, it missed. Hey, we're at 170. 9 o'clock. 220. We're at 200 knots. 11 o'clock.
Yeah, gonna pull again.
12 o'clock high.
And Fox 2.
All right, we're getting slow. 160.
Splash. Got him.
Bandit is going down.
Okay, now on to the other one. Where is that guy? Okay, I got another data link contact on my nose. My wingman's going back there. I think I'm going to stay with my wingman. 2 F14s are better than 1. Oh, I see something burning. Yeah, I don't think that's a good sign. Let's check it out. Is it a plane wreck or? No, I don't see it. It's just burning. Yeah, probably a plane wreck. Enfield 1-2 is doing something.
2, join up.
He's just flying back to the carrier. I think he already has enough. I got a data link contact on my nose here again. Let's see if we get lucky.
Roger that. Oh, we got nails right on our 6. And, nails,
No,
7 o'clock.
I can't lock
Can't do
him,
that,
but I
sir.
know in what direction he's... or where he is. And he is heading towards us, which is not good. And my wingman is not here.
Shit, mud, 7 o'clock.
Is that the SA-15 locking us? And he's not here anymore. Oh, there he
Hey,
is.
I got some dirt at 11 o'clock.
Nope, data link gone. And there he is.
Okay. Can do that. Target,
Got him.
11 miles.
Okay, Fox went off the nose here. I need to hold lock.
Watch it, there's mud, 11 o'clock.
Oh, that's a helicopter. Dude, that's a helicopter, man.
Pucker time. Target, 6 miles. Whoa, mud, 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I guess I should have looked at the camera before. Okay.
Splash.
I got him.
The
Crazy.
bandit is going down. We have a singer, 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock.
Okay, Singer to our left.
Yo, sync rate is too high. We have a singer, 7 o'clock.
Yeah, it didn't hit. It went into the, went into the trees. Or I know that was the helicopter. I don't know. Okay, yeah, Wingman is... Yeah, Wingman is taking fire. Yeah. Turn music on. Yeah. And now just defend. We don't want to lose a Wingman here. I don't think I got any targets remaining. No, I still see something. And he stopped talking. That is not a good sign. And he's off the radar. Fuck. Dude just disappeared.
Damn it, mud, 2 o'clock.
And we're getting locked again. I hate Sam's. Yup. There we go. I love this game. I love it so much, man. It's so great. Just look at that, like I'm flying down here and over the river. Okay, well, I'm just
Looks
gonna
like
look at
they're
that
third at 4
contact
o'clock.
there. And otherwise, I'm gonna head home. Is that a data link contact or, yeah. 44 miles. Nah, I don't know about this. I mean, the only thing we've encountered so far are MiGs, which just isn't great. SAMs are all behind us. Yeah, which means we're heading away from the air bases. And that contact is towards our carrier, which means that it is the helicopter of the carrier that is
Heads up,
hovering around
Nails,
the carrier.
12 o'clock.
So, no, I don't think I'm going to find any more targets. Supposedly, there are MiG-29s and stuff here. But I didn't see anything. Nothing sneaked up on me as far as I know. So, yeah, I think I'm going home.
Marshall 010. Marking Mops 05442. Angels 2. State 12.3.
010, weather's weather is visibility 10 plus mile. Scattered clouds at above 10,000, altimeter is 290.903. Case 1 recovery expected BR.
We've got Nails, 1 o'clock.
Okay, see you at 10.
010. See you at 10.
010, update state, switch tower.
010. State 11.8.
Yeah, so let's come in here. This was a great mission. Sadly, we only encountered MiG-28s because otherwise that would have been really cool with some other Cold War jets and not just MiG-28s. But yeah, it gave me some kind of Top Gun vibes and I like that. So yeah. Okay, let's come around. Now, what's the airspeed? Below 200? Yeah. So we can go gear down, hook down, and also flaps down when I manage to get this
Okay, Niels, 2
plane
o'clock, 3
straight.
o'clock.
Okay, now let's get the flaps. Come on. Okay, there we go. Now we're kind of heavy, so let's drop some stuff that we don't need anymore. Call the
010.
ball.
Tomcat ball. 11.6.
No, I wasn't lined up. He didn't wave me off, I just waved myself off. That would have been a completely shitty landing. I think we need to get a bit more distance between me and the carrier.
Showing Nails, 4 o'clock.
Okay, here we go.
Zero 10. Tomcat ball. 11.4.
Yeah, I think we need to get some more distance between me and the carrier. Like fly out a bit longer so we got more space to correct our mistakes. Yeah. And I think I'm gonna turn now.
Zero 10. Tomcat ball. 11.2.
Yep. Why was I suddenly so fast there? I think my flaps just jammed. God damn it. I'm always slow, and then if I just do a bit more throttle, I go extremely fast. Is DLC on? Yep. Now let's turn. Now we're slow. Now we're fast. Yeah, it's because right now I'm
010.
flying down,
Tomcat ball.
so that gives me
11.0.
extra speed. Yeah, I get it. No, I'm not gonna wave off.
Right wing is damaged. Yeah, that's a 2-wire.
Okay, well, I hit these parked airplanes. These guys are not positioned like good. I mean, that was also my mistake, but these guys are like really close to. Like if I come a bit more right, my wing would hit these guys. Yeah, so I think we're gonna have to. Yeah, this is a one-winged bird now. Oh gosh. Like one wing is just ripped off. But anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. This was a pretty cool episode. And now I'm gonna be fired from the Navy. But I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.